Okay, so my parts are here, but not my bulkhead fitting. Okay, this right here is vibrant, and you can see it's for E85. It's PTFE. Anything PTFE is going to survive anything. PTFE is basically Teflon, and you can get these online at AutoZone for, I think I paid $3.99 shipped through FedEx. It came in a big box. I don't know why they did that. But with tax, it's $4.29 for a pack of these. Everywhere else is selling them for 20 bucks. AutoZone. They didn't have them at the store, but it's shipped to home, and the shipping was free. So these right here, I recommend for the bulkhead fitting to seal it bottom, top. Yeah, and this stuff's really cheap. And then this right here, you got $4.29, I think. And then I'll leave the part numbers and the item numbers in the description below so that you can see what you need. This right here is PTFE, and you want this over the gates. Like this gate thing, I struggled to get it into the tank. It's a pain in the ass. This right here is PTFE, and this is what you want to use. I don't have the clamp for this right here, so I'm just going to use one of these clamps that I use for that. And then here's the other one. See if I can get the part number. Alright, let me get the part number for the other one, and I'll put it in the description too. But yeah, these are different. This one's an 8mm in and a 9mm, and the 8mm is going to go on this one, and the 9mm is going to go on this one, because one's a little bit bigger. And then this right here is going to go to the fuel pump, and then the 3/8 fitting. And then my bulkhead fittings will be here in, I don't know, less than 4 days.